Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete the saved items or saved searches from the Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after that you go to the marketplace on Facebook website, all you need to do is to go to the listing that you have just saved, for example this one, and you will re-click on it so you have it unsaved. And basically it will be unsaved. Other way to unsave this is to go to all your saved items. So basically we need to go here to the menu and search for saves. And as you can see here you will find all your saved items, links and everything. So let's go. As you can see, this is another listing that I have saved before, and all I need to do now is to go here and unsave the item, and I will just refresh my saved items and I will have it removed. And as you can see, I have now no saved items from the marketplace. So basically this is how you can unsave your items or unsave the research from your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching and see you next time.